Hello and welcome to week 6 of DMK 301, and the topic this week is on corporate social responsibility with digital marketing. What is CSR, or corporate social responsibility? CSR is a self-regulatory business model that enables a firm to be socially accountable to itself, its stakeholders, and the general public. Companies may be aware of the influence they have on all elements of society, including economic, social, and environmental issues, by practicing corporate social responsibility, also known as corporate citizenship. CSR refers to a company's decision to act in ways that benefit society and the environment rather than harming them in the usual course of business. Overall, CSR is an ability to know that companies have a major impact to the community, whether that's environmental, in that their products or services, need to be clean for the environment to have a thriving, sustainable environment for customers. Whether that's also how they give back to society for societal issues, such as the poor or charities. Overall, companies have an ability to drive the economy as well. So looking at all those factors, companies who believe in CSR focus on a variety of areas and how they are responsible for the earth, planet, and communities. And corporate social responsibility is an increasingly important dynamic that customers are looking for, in how companies look for beyond the profit that they're trying to generate. What are they doing for mankind is the overall focus of corporate social responsibility. So in the context of marketing, there are various marketing dynamics with CSR. First, it's establishing authenticity. What we want to look for is the fact that companies are authentic when they talk about corporate social responsibility. Are they truly doing something for the environment, society, or the economy? Or are they using CSR as a way to influence customers in the wrong manner, where they're still focused more on profitability than CSR? Now, companies who are for profit still need to drive a profit, of course, but they're being authentic in how they use CSR, or corporate social responsibility, in their marketing, and we'll talk about that further. If they are doing it well and they do have a true, authentic CSR marketing dynamic, then what they need to do is ensure it's consistent in their marketing messages. It needs to be something that they often speak to with their customers, so customers can build that trust and awareness that it's in fact authentic. It can't be a one-time thing. It needs to be a regular thing that companies uphold in their marketing efforts. Now, for each company, they need to establish their CSR focus on specific beliefs and values. To be authentic, you need to focus your areas of, as a company, what do you stand for? If it's the environment, what specifically in the environment are you talking about? Is it pollution? Is it fossil fuels? Is it a campaign to help recycled products? What is that overall? And that's what you need to talk about, because that helps you become more authentic by having a focused area. If you are talking about each aspect of CSR, from society, the economy, and the environment, then that can get lost in translation about really what do you stand for. If you stand for many things, that's great, but it needs to be a consistent and core message. Each marketing campaign should have a core of CSR within it, or if it's not each campaign, a lot of your campaigns. If you want CSR to be at the top of mind of your customers, and you need to relate the product launch, the great discounted promotion, the marketing campaign in general, to have some ability to message CSR. By doing these things, you're building community awareness. You're building awareness to both, not just your company, but awareness to these topics that you're so heavily passionate about. You can influence your customer loyal base to also believe in the same environmental, economic, or societal issues that you are trying to convey. By doing that, also you build and maintain that brand reputation in the market. That brand reputation builds loyal customers, which we know is a key tactic for digital marketers. But for all of this to work, at the end of the day, it needs leadership alignment and cross-functional support. It can't just be on the marketing department to believe in CSR and market it. It needs to be influenced by other department leaders who are also going to be in charge of their respective business units, who are going to help influence and be at the same overall viewpoint and vision for what CSR means for the organization. As we discussed earlier, some companies are not being authentic with their corporate social responsibility practices when it comes to marketing. This is called greenwashing. Greenwashing is a term used to characterize the practice of firms releasing advertisements, campaigns, and goods under the guise of being environmentally friendly, despite their overall environmental and sustainable record. To appeal to the environmentally sensitive customer, businesses use greenwashing strategies in their product advertising. Claims that are aligned with a product or campaign may help a company acquire market share and acquire a competitive advantage over its competitors. Greenwashing has become more widely recognized in recent years. This is due to the growing demand for ecologically friendly products and the much needed openness that comes with ethical decision making. The problem here is it's not authentic, and at the end of the day, it's falsified. Greenwashing is something that is necessarily not the best business practice in digital marketing. To promote sustainability, to promote environmentally friendly marketing tactics, it's important that the overall focus of the company is marketing really what they do believe in and not trying to manipulate or influence customers in the wrong direction. So greenwashing is something you do not want to do. It's something that we need to look out for as digital marketers to say, are we truly being authentic with our CSR tactics, and overall is greenwashing something that we're focused on not doing as part of our digital marketing strategy. Thank you for your time and have a great day.